Okay, Lucas, guess what? There's a frog, a small green frog that can actually freeze, like solid ice.
Wait, what? Freeze? Like an ice cream?
Yeah, and then in the spring, it just wakes up,
No way. That's crazy. A frozen frog.
right? Welcome to English Pod Center, guys. I'm Luna.
And I'm Lucas. And today we're talking about animals.
Not just talking about them, describing them, telling people what they look like.
Oh man, that's hard. Like when I try to describe a weird animal, I just say, it's big.
Exactly. People always just say big or small. It's so boring.
Very boring. So how do we fix it? What's the secret?
We need good words, adjectives, words that paint a picture. Like, paint a picture with words? Yes. Okay, imagine a giraffe. How do you describe it? It's yellow and tall. Okay, good, but we can do better. It has a long neck, very long.
Oh, right, a long neck and long legs.
Yes, it's like a tall building with legs.
A tall building with spots. Wait, it has spots, right?
Mm-hmm, brown spots. So long is a great word. Long neck, long tail, long legs.
Okay, I like long. But what about, the opposite?
Short, like a corgi. You know the little dog?
Oh, I love corgis. They have very short legs.
Exactly. Short legs and a big body. It's like a furry potato.
A furry potato. I love that. So long and short.
Right. Now, what about how an animal feels? Like if you touch it?
Soft, like my cat. My cat is very soft.
Yes, soft. A cat is soft. A rabbit is soft.
But what about a snake? A snake is not soft.
Oh, good one. A snake is smooth, like glass.
Smooth and scary. I hate snakes.
Scary is a great word. Scary, dangerous, like a shark.
Shark? Yes. Big, scary teeth.
Sharp teeth. Perfect. Sharp. Like a knife. Sharks have sharp teeth.
Okay, let me review. We have long, short, soft, smooth, scary, sharp.
Mm-hmm. You're learning fast, Lucas.
I try. So what if I see an animal and I don't know the name?
That happens a lot. You just talk about its body parts. Let's practice.
Okay, give me an animal, but don't say the name.
All right. It's very big. Gray.
A gray car. No, wait, an animal. A big gray animal.
Yes, it has big ears. Really big ears.
Like flying ears?
No, just big flat ears. And it has a long trunk. Like a nose, but super long.
Oh, an elephant.
Yes. See? You knew it because I used body parts. Ears and trunk.
That's cool. So body parts are important. Eyes, ears, nose, legs.
Tail. Don't forget tail. Monkeys have long tails.
Right. Monkeys use their tails to swing, like Spider-Man.
Yeah, exactly like Spider-Man, but furry.
Okay, Luna, my turn. I'll describe, you guess.
I'm ready. Go.
It's small, green.
A frog?
Wait, let me finish. Small, green, and it carries a house on its back.
A house? Oh, you mean a shell, like a hard box.
Yes, a shell, a hard shell. And it is very, very slow.
Ah, a turtle.
Yes, a turtle. See, slow is another good word.
Fast and slow. Horses are fast, turtles are slow.
This is so helpful. I can totally describe any animal now.
Any animal? Ha! Okay, Lucas, try this.
Bring it on. I am ready.
How do you describe a bird? Like, what is on its skin?
Oh, hair? Wait, no, not hair.
Imagine a bird with hair? Like a little man flying?
That is scary. Okay, no hair. They have leaves?
Leaves are for trees, Lucas. Birds have feathers. Feathers.
Feathers, right. They are, soft feathers.
Yes, soft feathers. So dogs have fur and birds have feathers.
Fur, like my jacket. My winter jacket has fur.
Exactly. Fur keeps them warm, like a winter jacket.
What about a snake? Does a snake have fur?
Ew, no. A snake with fur? That's just a long cat.
A long cat. Okay, so what does a snake have?
Snakes have scales, like fish. Hard little pieces. Scales.
Scales, got it. So fur, feathers, scales.
Good. Now, what about sounds? Animals make sounds.
Oh, like loud or quiet?
Yeah. A lion is what?
Loud, very loud, like roar.
Good roar. Yes, loud. And what is quiet?
A mouse. A mouse is very quiet.
Squeak, squeak. Perfect. Loud lion, quiet mouse.
Wait, Luna, I have a problem.
What is it?
What if I don't know the exact word? Like if I forget the word for scales,
Oh, that is a great question.
right? Because, my memory is not great.
You just use body parts. Say, it has no legs.
No legs. Okay, it has no legs.
And say it is long.
It is long and has no legs. Oh, a snake.
Yes. See? You do not need big words, just simple words.
Long, short, big, small. 4 legs, 2 legs.
Exactly, Lucas. Let's play another game.
Oh, I love games. Okay, you guess this time.
I am ready. Give me the clues.
Okay, it is big, very big.
Elephant, bear?
No, wait, let me talk. It is big, it has 4 legs.
Most big things have 4 legs. Give me more.
It is yellow and brown, and it is very tall.
Tall, like a tree?
Yes, it has a very, very long neck.
Oh, a giraffe.
Yes, giraffe. See? Yellow, brown, tall, long neck.
That was a great description. Let me try one.
Okay, hit me. Wait, no, just tell me.
Okay, it has 8 legs.
Stop. I hate it. It's a spider.
I didn't even finish.
I don't care. 8 legs is a spider. Very scary.
See? Numbers are great for describing. 8 legs, 2 legs.
Yes, but spiders are bad. Give me a good animal.
Okay. It has white fur and black fur.
A cow? A black and white cow?
No, it is fat and it eats bamboo. In China.
Oh, a panda.
Yes, a panda. Fat, black and white, eats bamboo.
That is so easy. Fur, colors, what they eat. I love this.
Right. So, Lucas, now it is your turn.
My turn? Okay. I wanna, describe an animal.
Go ahead. What does it look like?
Okay. It is very big.
Like a bear or like a car?
Bigger. Really, really big. It is gray.
Gray and very big. A rhino?
No. Let me think. It has big ears
Big ears. Okay, I am thinking.
and a very, very long nose.
Oh, an elephant.
Yes, elephant. See, I am very good at this.
You are. Gray, big ears, long nose. Perfect.
I like describing animals. It is like a fun game.
It is a game. Okay, let's do a hard one.
Hard, but my English is, I am a beginner.
You can do it, Lucas. I will use simple words.
Okay, I am ready. Tell me.
It is a bird, but it does not fly.
A bird? No fly? A chicken?
No, not a chicken. It lives in the cold, very cold ice.
Ice. Oh, wait.
And it is black and white, like a man in a black suit.
Oh, the little walking bird. A penguin.
Yes, a penguin.
Penguin. Yes, black and white, very cold. I love penguins.
Me too. So see, we only use simple words.
Yes, color, size, legs, where it lives.
Exactly. Luna teaches you well.
Yes, Luna is a good teacher.
Let's give a game to our listeners now.
A game for the listeners? Like a test?
A fun test. We describe an animal, they guess.
Ooh, I like this. Can I do it?
Okay, Lucas, you describe the mystery animal.
Okay, listen carefully, everyone.
I am listening too.
It is a pet, like it lives in your house.
A house pet, okay.
It has 4 legs and a long tail.
A dog?
Hey, don't guess, Luna. It is for the listeners.
Sorry. I forgot. I like the game too.
Let me finish. It likes to sleep a lot, and it says meow.
Oh, that is too easy, Lucas.
Well, it is beginner English. It has to be easy.
True. Listeners, what is the animal?
Say it out loud. House, tail, sleep, meow.
If you said cat, you are right.
Yay, a cat. Very cute. Not scary like a sprayer.
No spiders here, just good, simple words.
This was so fun, Luna. I learned a lot today.
Good. Practice your describing words today, everyone.
Look out the window. See a bird? Describe it.
See a dog? Describe it. Small, brown, happy.
Yes, because practice makes perfect.
Thank you so much for listening today.
Yes, and if you like this, please follow us.
Subscribe to English Pod Center right now. See you next time.
Bye, everyone. Watch out for spiders.